A Valve Source Engine demo file captures recorded gameplay, every player action, camera angle, and game event preserved for playback and analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play, edit, or troubleshoot these game recording files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single DEM file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. DEM files are gameplay recording files for Valve Source Engine games, including Counter-Strike Team Fortress 2 and Half-Life 2. They store complete game state data, allowing exact replay of matches, including player movements, actions, and game events from the server perspective. Source Engine DEM files use a binary format, storing network packet data game, events, entity state updates, and user command records. They contain tick-by-tick game state that the engine reconstructs during playback, reproducing the exact gameplay sequence at the recorded tick rate. The most widely recognized opener for DEM is unequivocally Counter-Strike, Global Offensive from Valve Corporation. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows offers minimal detail, so exploring these files requires knowledge of the game's engine. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your DEM file and choose Open With. Use Counter-Strike. Global Offensive if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If you still can't open the DEM file, it's okay. Since this DEM is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, playing demo files. Launch the Source Engine game that matches the DEM file. Open the developer console with the tilde key and type play demo, followed by the demo file name. The game will load the map and begin playback of the recorded gameplay from the recorded perspective. Next, recording demos. In any Source Engine game, open the console and type record followed by a file name to begin recording. Play your match normally. Type stop in the console to end recording. The DEM file is saved to the game's root directory, ready for playback or sharing. Finally, converting to video. Use Source Engine console commands to render the demo to an image sequence. Use the Start Movie command, followed by a file name and target frame rate during demo playback. The engine outputs individual frames that can be compiled into video using FFmpeg or video editing software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.